How to fix PocketBase CORS error. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix the CORS error on PocketBase. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can follow the steps on Mac OS or Linux if you're using PocketBase over there. Since I'm using a PocketBase mobile client, I can simply guide you the steps. You can follow them up on your Linux. Now by default, PocketBase explicitly allows all the origins, meaning asterisks, meaning it really restricts connections directly. And if your browser displays a CORS error when communicating with your PocketBase backend, the root cause is almost always an incorrect SDK initialization URL, local IP binding conflicts, or reverse proxy server overrides. So in that case, you have to fix the local host versus the IP binding as well, and you must also verify your server initialization flags, check for reverse proxy header stripping, and all of those other options as well. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.